It's summertime. 15 degrees broken. That's summer for Finnish person, real Finnish person like me. I'll be naked since 0 degrees. So we gotta celebrate. We gotta celebrate big time. Summer is coming. That means how Bay Science celebrates new animal taste test. Can you hear me? New animal taste test. Guess what it is? You already fucking read it in the title. It's Goose. Look at this big boy. Compare that to this bitch ass chicken breast. Chicken. Man, Goose seems a lot better. Let's start with the chicken, because I'm gonna tell you how I rank my birds. Chicken, you are at the bottom. Go down there where you belong. Salmon Nutella, it's good, but chicken at the bottom. That's why that's the only bird you can find in the supermarkets. Or sometimes, actually you can find turkey as well. And turkey is the level up from chicken. But nobody eats turkey. You ever eaten turkey? Besides Thanksgiving for you Americans? We don't even have a holiday when we eat turkeys. But Bay Science has eaten turkeys raw, of course. Couple times, go check those episodes out. Bay Science classics. And turkey, level up from the chicken. It's better than your Salmon Nutella ass. But I still love you, raw chicken as well. But that's why the people at the top, the World Economic Forum motherfuckers, they want you to eat chicken. And then you go even lower to the Z-bugs. Because chicken, they eat the bugs. And soon you are in the raw chicken position yourself. So chicken, closer to the bugs. Turkey, that's level up from chicken. Guess what is next level up? It's duck, of course. Duck's the next level up from turkey. Like turkey is pretty good already, and it looks badass. But I have heard that turkeys can be kinda ruthless bitches. But maybe you need to kick them around a little bit, show who's the boss. I don't know. I have not raised turkeys ever, but they look cool and they taste good, better than raw chicken. But the ducks where it gets real good, it starts to look like beef or lamb, starts to look like red meat, and the skin is fantastically fatty. And fat is always the tastiest part. 100% everybody knows that. So duck is the next one. I have not had duck for you guys, but I have had some fun with the ducks on my own time. Plenty of times. And I love duck. I love duck meat. But I have never, and I mean ever, have goose. And goose is the only logical level up from duck. Let's bring the bad boy. Look at how huge it is. And look at how red it is. It looks like beef heart. Looks like liver red. Holy hell. And it got nice piece of skin fat as well. This is the best part. I don't think I have ever had goose. I don't remember, and certainly I have never had it raw. And this is Finnish goose, of course. We only eat Finnish stuff over here, except oysters and raw cheese sometimes. It's been raised in the wild. The sad part about it is, it has been frozen end of last year, because it's really hard to get these fresh. Should go to the farm to get some live goose and butcher it myself someday. But this is the closest I'm ever probably gonna get to the swan. That's my dream animal to eat. That's the national bird of Finland as well. I have seen so many swans. I just saw 2 swans flew by, and I saw 50 swans in a field the other day. They are coming back. That's the spirit animal of Finland. But I don't know, do I want to be that rebel? That I go kill the swan? And you have to kill both of them. They always go together. They are into that monogamy. They are into that bear bonding. Unlike us. Unlike us, young people. We hate bear bonding because we are broken as human beings. But this stuff, being outside in the nature, getting that sunlight on your sack, on your titties all day, and then eating some geese. This is how we get back bear bonding. Hell yeah. This looks so appetizing. Oh my. Yes! Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. This is 10 out of 10. Maybe it's the forest atmosphere. I have been getting sun on my sack the whole day. It's the warmest time of the year. Summer is here. And it's only middle of April, not even that. And we eating goose over here. And I gotta tell, it's so tender. It's super tender. It kinda reminds me of the deer I ate. That's probably the closest one. Look at how good the meat looks. So yeah, maybe this 10 out of 10 is a little bit affected by the atmosphere, the amazing day we are having here at the Base Sciences offices. And it's always celebration when you can eat new animal, because we wanna eat them all. So yeah guys, give me some tips. How can I eat swan meat? That's my ultimate goal in life. They are so majestic. So it would be even a little bit painful to kill 2 of them. But if the swan couple dies together, maybe those people who eat those will get them their pair bonding abilities. Maybe that's why nobody eats swans here. They are protected. Is it another conspiracy by the elites? The Illuminati don't want you to eat swans, because that's the quickest way to repair these broken ass toxic relationships everybody born into the 90s and past that is having. And it's getting worse and worse. The Gen Z, this autistic this autistic generation, it's even worse for them. Okay, let's test the fat. Look at the layer of fat there. Oh hell yeah. This is amazing. This is better than beef. You get a lot of fat. That's what I like. You get the skin also. Man, I need to go to this farm in summer and get one goose myself. think about what we could do. Firstly, we would eat the goose blood, of course. I bet that's good. We could eat the goose liver. I bet that's tremendous. A little bit of that meat and fat. That's that sandwich of the nature. This is the full natty broad sandwich. Oh, that's good. That's real good. But yeah, what do you think about my theory? Eating swans? That's the quickest way to repair the broken bear bonding people are having. My grandparents, they lived 50 years or even more together. My parents, they've been together a long ass time. But seems like nobody can have even relationships last 2 years anymore. It's pretty sad. Pretty sad when you start to think about it. When you really start to think about the modern world, it's pretty sad. And then there's a bunch of people championing for the system. These people always, they've been either traumatized and they just accepted their fate, accepted them being enslaved by the elites, and they champion for the elites' agendas. Or they just retarded, or they just combination of the two. That's probably the most cases. And you cannot never blame them or judge them too harshly, because we all who have been born into this system are somewhat retarded. We all have been retarded by the system, and this is exactly how you bring your humanity back. You can just start to feel your humanity coming back piece by piece the more you chill here and eat this kind of stuff. And the food is even not that big of a deal. It can make the process faster and all that. You should eat only the foods you can gather from your environment. That's the big key. But you don't have to go this far. You can cook this, no problem. But leave it a little rare in the middle at least. Never go full retard. But what I was saying is, this is how you bring your humanity back. You just come here, where there's no electricity, none of that modern world shit. You leave your phone behind, you leave your computer behind. You can bring your camera if you make cool ass videos like I do. That's the only reason to bring camera. Or maybe you can film some animals as well. That's also, it also goes to the cool ass videos category. Filming nature and wildlife. Make those naturist metal videos, I love those. Anyway, I will go back to my nature, retreat from the modern society, because that's what you gotta do if you wanna be a healthy human being in 2025. You gotta take care of yourself and your family and friends. Take yourself your friends, your family with you to a nice retreat out here. The cool thing about Finland is the population density is so low that I can drive a few minutes from the cities and I'm already in nature. That's the cool thing about Finland. And there's a bunch of cool nature here. For some of you guys living in bigger cities and bigger countries that are more populated, it might be a little bit tougher, but you can do it. I believe in you. I gotta say, it makes a huge difference in your life and how you feel. And Goose, 10 out of 10, 100% would recommend you eat it. Go get some goose and hunt it for yourself. Even better. See ya later, alligators.